So you wanted to track an Amazon order with the tracking ID. So the two types of the tracking. You have placed your order, but where is it? So Amazon uses two distinct tracking systems. If your ID starts with a TBA, for example, it's Amazon owned fleet, and if letters on the numbers, it's a third-party courier. I'm going to show you how to find these IDs. So to locate the tracking ID, you want to look, let's say for example, I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to locate the tracking ID from Amazon. Usually it will be appearing something like this. I'm going to show you this image, for example. So basically, when you open your Amazon applications, you can tap into the person icon and go for the orders, usually located, for example, inside here. I go for my account, returns and orders, and it should be appearing directly inside here. When you click into one specific product, you can click into the option that says track the page, and here it should be showing you the image tracking images. So you will see that the tracking ID and the name of the actual courier. One of the pro tip that I can give you is that you can long press and copy this ID, and if you paste the ID into Google or in a specialized application like the 17 track that I believe that it's still working on nowadays, usually it will automatically detect the carrier for you. So for Amazon logistics orders, you get the map tracking features. These only appears once the driver is 10 stops away, for example. When you see the map, you can actually watch the van move in real time, and it will tell you exactly how many stops are left before use. You can also sync this with Alexa. Just say, Alexa, where's my stop? And she will be giving you the same real-time update without you needing to open the application. So the tracking external, what if someone sends you a gift? So you can use Amazon standalone tracking portal. So to enter the tracking ID here, if the sender showed a tracking link, for example, with your via WhatsApp or email, you can see the status without even logging into Amazon account. This is of course something that you can do directly into your phone, but not elsewhere. So if the courier is UPS or the USPS, I recommend taking the ID to the courier's own website. So in my case, for example, go all directly here into the UPS, go for tracking UPS, paste the ID provided from Amazon, and you can see that they often provide more details, for example, proof of delivery, the GPS coordinates, and the basic Amazon summary. So if you're doing this because Amazon appears as it have shipped, it have been delivered, and you haven't received your product, basically the best solution that I can give you is to focus directly into Amazon, once again, your orders, and look out for the option that says track your ID, or let's say for example, go all the way down and go for the option that says help, so you can get full support and you can tell exactly what happened with your actual order or your actual delivery. So once delivered, you can check the photo into the application to see exactly where the driver hid your packages. So if you're looking to save money to your next order, check out the actual video of Amazon secret coupons for the 2026 that appears now into our channel. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully you can all see you well next time.